What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. I've been looking for a stand for my phone and Apple Watch. And I'm hoping I found it in this. And I got this one in particular because of the Apple Watch stand itself. Because I have found with the Apple Watch, especially when you have the strap attached like this, it droops down here and it doesn't allow you a lot of real estate to put the watch. So you want a really small kind of mounting so that it'll sit in the charger and the band will have enough space to curl around. So it looks like that's going to work. This is obviously the charging stand here. This inner piece looks like this will come out. This is silicone, and so you'll actually use your standard Apple Watch charger. It's got kind of a nice finish. It's like a soft touch, kind of gunmetal. And then let's see here, we do have a USB-C cord, which is kind of nice. That way should allow plenty of power to the stand, which is kind of cool, to USB-A. And then we also have USB brick. And the cool thing about this is because you're going to need basically one to go to the charging pad for the phone and one plug to go to the Apple Watch charger. It's nice that it has both of these. This is a quick charge 3.0 and this is a 5 volt 2 amp, so that's cool. And then here's the base itself, and again a little bit of that soft touch kind of gray plastic. We have 4 rubber pads there. It's kind of the size of a coaster. Looks like we have a little X where the charging pad is. And basically what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take the Apple Watch charger and just see if I can figure out how to install this. I think we're going to run the cable through the top first here because it's going to snake down this arm. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this over the charger, line up that little, oh my gosh, I broke it. Dude, it's not very strong, but I think it's okay. I think I can squeeze that in there and still use it, but that was a little bit of a surprise. I haven't really been working out, so I'm a little surprised. It's a little hard to, you know what I think is you want to put in the spacer first, just like that, and now I think work the charger in there like that. Okay, that'll work. Cool. And now, that's embarrassing. Okay, so I broke it. User error. Be gentle with it, and then you run the cable in here, and that's how you kind of hide it. And this arm, oh man, that's a tight fit. I'll tell you what, that's a crazy tight channel in there. I can't even get the cable in all the way there. But now I think we just kind of put it in here, and looks like the notch is going to allow the cable to kind of poke out the back, and I think that's it. And then we have the charger up here that floats above the pad. Now, I will say it seems to be angled this way a little bit, but it looks like it rotates just a smidge, so you can kind of have it facing you if you want. I don't mind it being totally flat. All right, now there's the plug for the other cable, so I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to plug both of these into the charging brick that it comes with, and then we will see if this little bad boy works. All right, so I've got everything plugged in here, and I'm going to take my iPhone XS Max, and I'm just going to drop it on there. Boom! Looks like that's charging. And I'm going to take my Apple Watch and slide it on there. And boom! That's charging too. So that is awesome. I've got both devices charging. It's really nice. It doesn't take up any more space than any other wireless charging pad. So this is great for your nightstand. So it keeps room and space. And the nice thing is, like I said, this design right here allows the Apple Watch, especially the stock wristband, to kind of droop there without causing any problems. And if I pull this away, it stops charging. If I put it back, charges again. Awesome! I actually love this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this sucker up at my nightstand, and then I'll have all my devices charged in the morning. If you want to pick up this stand, I will put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda, out!